Hi guys, welcome back. First thing I'm going to do is just prepare some little concrete spaces to go between the insulation and the metal grill so that the metal grill will sit in between the concrete layer. So the concrete layer altogether is 10 centimeters. I'm cutting some plastic tubing to 5 centimeters, which I'm then going to fill with concrete with a little wire sticking up so that I can lay them down on the insulation and then lay the metal grill on top and use the wire to hold it down so that when we put the concrete on, it doesn't float to the top. So the first thing I'm doing today is I've got some old plastic pipe that I'm cutting to 5 centimeters. So let's go on with that. So as you can see, I've got all my plastic tubes all cut to 5 centimeters. So I've used some old wire and I've cut them to length. I've cut these to about 12, 15, doesn't really matter. The idea is I'll stick them in and then I've got some wire at the top to be able to twist and turn and tie on to the metal grid that's going to sit on top of them. As you've seen, I've cut the pipes. I'm now filling them with concrete and then I'm just sticking the wire in them while they're wet. And then when they're dry, I'll be able to use them as little spacers, but also weights to keep the metal grid down. Excellent, well thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please click the subscribe button, which is on the screen now, or you can click the link to see the spacers actually in situ before we put the concrete on. See you next week, bye!